Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another recipe video. I'm gonna make my brother today for lunch for school. Today we're gonna have some scarlet potatoes. Honestly though, I could make this from scratch, but I don't really have the time right now or the energy to do that. So I'm like, why not do this? This is actually so good. Like, we've had it before, like a couple times, but I feel like, yeah, this would be a best meal to make him for lunch today. And you can also make the same thing. And what I'm gonna have on the side with is some shrimp. This is just for the shrimp. I'm gonna put in the shrimp when I'm cooking it, you know. And here you need butter, of course, and some whole milk. And this thing right here, it comes with a seasoning packet. Let me show you guys how it looks. Wait. So this is how it looks on the inside, like that. And it came with this packet right here. That's for the sauce. Honestly, if you ask me what's in here, I have no clue. But I know for a fact this is so good. Especially after you mix it up with this. Oh. You can give it a try as well. You can make this for your kids. I know potatoes get mushy after a while, so it's not something you want to make for lunch. But this is not the case. This one is spot on. Like, they can even warm it during lunchtime and it will still taste just as amazing. And because we're not doing much, these are the seasoning I'm just gonna put on the shrimp. Some salt, pepper, garlic, and fresh red peppers. Some of this fresh red pepper is also going to go in the scarlet potatoes after it's cooked. And no, I wouldn't need MSG for that because I feel like the seasoning of this garlic potato already have that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, let's get started. It doesn't take long. Literally does not take long at all. It can also be like a short dinner idea you can try out yourself. So yeah, let me show you how I do this quickly. The first thing I did was I put it in some water. And I'm gonna boil it on the stove. Cause I'm not gonna. You can do this in the stove or in the oven, but I'm gonna do it on the stove. I didn't put too much water because I just wanted to cook a bit, and then I'm gonna add the milk so it can cook along with the milk. Cause it does get soft. It's like mashed potato, but it's not mashed potato. It's like much better than mashed potatoes. Now that it's like slightly cooked, I removed some of the water and I'm just gonna put the milk into it. That's way too much milk. But it's fine. It's gonna dilute anyways. Like, it's gonna make it thick. You can choose to follow the instruction on the packet, but I don't do that. I'm gonna put a spoonful of butter in here and stir it up while it's cooking. I'm gonna let it cook completely until it's not watery like that anymore. So the milk completely dilutes. Not completely, but just enough so I can put the seasoning packet. And while the potatoes cooking, I'm just gonna fry the shrimp. Not too much, so a little bit. And stir it on the shrimp. And here's the shrimp. I put some crushed red pepper, salt, black pepper, and garlic powder to season it. Just letting it cook now. While here, boiling. The reason why I keep looking at this constantly is because it does get stuck to the pot if you don't pay attention. And gonna add the onions and peppers to the spoon. Let it just cook until the sweet peppers are soft in the. Oh, that smells so good. And you see what I was talking about with this? Yeah. That's that. And the fact that I like completely dry out, I put the seasoning packet and I'm gonna put a little bit of milk. And I added some butter. Okay, I'm just gonna stir it up so you guys can see. Hold on. Oh, and that's how it looks. I'm gonna put it on the stove for a bit, so you know the seasoning can cook a little bit. I put just a little bit of milk and the seasoning packet and some butter. Just gonna let it cook for a little bit. Oh, put my stove on medium, and now the shrimp is done. Beautiful. And the shrimp is ready. Scalloped potato. So is it. After be careful, it does stick to the pot like that, but it's not burned. So don't get that twisted. And that's how it's gonna look. Anyway, that's how it turned out. That's how it should look when you do it. And then the shrimp. So I'm gonna put this up and stick around to find out to see if he's gonna finish all this. Well, he is, because this is good as hell. Or not. Okay, he just came from school. I'm just gonna show y'all whether he finished everything today. What do you think? So, well, I believe there was little bites and banana in here. There's no left. Here was some juice and the probiotic Rare Keep Joy. Also nothing. And here, what do we have? Let's see. Do you think he finished it? Shine. Yes, he did. There's not. Oh my God, that smells so good. It smells so good. I'm gonna cry. Full coma. Okay, yeah. So he did finish the scalloped potatoes with the grilled shrimp. Like you see. He finishes everything. I'm glad my brother is not a picky eater, because, well, let's be for real, I kind of installed that into him, because yeah, he eat everything I eat, so I don't feed him things that I don't eat myself. Okay, keep that in mind. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Chang.